brush. Turn on its brush. 2 minutes. Hand down, please. Thank you. Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. This is not easy. This is not perfect or cute. This is real. Okay. Perfect. There's your window. Yes, I know there are electronic toothbrushes with timers embedded in them and everything like that. However, this is what works for me. What works for you? I don't know how to floss. That's long enough. Very good. Twice a day. Up. Where you going? Where you going? You gotta run. Job not done. Job not done. This is where we turn over. Very good. Done. Water and brush.
Done.
Timer. All right. Hand down, please. There we go. Very good. Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. Come on. This is not easy. Very good. Now time to floss. About this long.
Dad.
Open. Thank you. Very good. This will return. Very good. All right, done.